Hi, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to keep up to date with me so you can know whenever I drop videos, because I've been pumping them out lately. So, if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for staying locked with your girl. So, I have to big up the Reggae Girlz. They're doing the damn thing, okay? They're doing the damn thing. So the Reggae Girlz are one game away from making history, and it says Jamaica stands at this stage. Jamaica stands at the edge of making history in women's football. If the Reggae Girlz can produce a win in either the semi-final or the final of the 2018 CONCACAF Women's Championship, they can become the first Caribbean team to qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup. Jamaicans rank 64th among FIFA women's team will face number 1 and defending world champions the United States in a Sunday semi-final after Canada meets Panama in the first game of a doubleheader at Toyota Stadium. Both semi-final winners will reach France 2019. If they fall, they will have another opportunity in Wednesday's third place match against the loser of the other semi-final. And if they drop that match, the Caribbean side will have one final opportunity against Argentina in an intercontinental home and home series for the 24th and final spot. Trinidad and Tobago came close to making Caribbean history during the 2014 Women's Championship, also reaching the Final Four, but the Soca Princesses could not win any of those tries to reach Canada 2015. So big up to Trinidad and Tobago, y'all did the damn thing. After dropping a 2-0 decision to Canada to open this tournament, the Fleet Jamaica side rebounded with a historic and stunning 1-0 victory over Costa Rica before securing a 9-0 triumph over Cuba to seal the deal. Jody Brown led the way with a hat trick. Sashana Campbell added 2 goals, and Christina Chang and Denisha Blackwood, Mario Sweatman and Shaw had 1 goal apiece. So our Reggae Girlz stands to make history, and just like how we showed support for UCN when they go a Rio and Asafa and Shellyan and the whole of them, that's the same way we need to be cheering for the Reggae Girlz. They need our support. They need people to push them. They need to know that they have Jamaicans behind them that supports them and believe in them. Because if them go FIFA CONCACAF, me know say Jamaica not go good again. Okay, they're gonna go against some of the biggest teams in the world. So I'm very proud, very proud of the Reggae Girlz. And also, with mentioning Reggae Girlz, I also have to mention Luton Shelton, who is a former Reggae Boys player that was diagnosed with ALS, and he's trying to bring awareness to ALS.